Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Unity Hub with your editor version and Visual Studio Code installed. Open your Unity project, then go to Edit Right Arrow Preferences, Right Arrow External Tools, and set External Script Editor to Visual Studio Code. Once done, generate project files by checking Embedded Packages and clicking Regenerate Project Files so VS Code understands Unity's assembly definitions. This step links Unity's API and resolves IntelliSense. It prevents missing symbol errors later and lets you open scripts from the editor directly into VS Code. Next, configure Visual Studio Code to work smoothly with Unity. Install the CHash extension plus the Unity Debugger extension, then reload VS Code. Open the Unity project folder, make sure the SLN appears and OmniSharp initializes. This provides IntelliSense and code navigation. If IntelliSense fails, change OmniSharp settings, select Use Modern Net or use Global Mono depending on your platform, restart OmniSharp. These choices affect how assemblies load, so make sure your selected runtime matches Unity's targeted runtime for reliable code completion. Finally, enable debugging and finalize the link. In Unity, enter play mode, then in VS Code use the Unity Debugger's Attach option to connect, set breakpoints and watch variables. This is how you inspect runtime behavior. If scripts refuse to open from Unity, use Assets Right Arrow Open CHash Project or Regenerate Project Files. If issues persist, check that Unity Editor and OmniSharp runtimes match and verify folder permissions. Often restarting Unity and VS Code after changing settings resolves remaining connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.